about our fellow tenant, our neighbor Oga Titus, we be saying no happy say our other neighbor Mr. Ola, they always call him wife sweet name. And the man go to say, my guy, I no like as you dey call my wife sweet names.
That man not just jealousy the worry.
No, if he's jealous, he has the right to be. This is wife.
Before you marry her, people don't know the woman. When you marry person, say does not mean that you own her totally.
Everybody's talking about owning anybody. This is about respect. Now, only me supposed to call my wife sweet name. He has the right to tell her that. It's just like a woman now see my husband. Olowo Rimi, Odogum.
If you begin appreciate me that they hear me, my wife go verse.
Sometimes jealousy is not a bad thing, no.
Too jealousy even destroy a relationship. A job well done. Yes, call hug you.
Men no call you, go collect work.
They hug me, I go hug.
You where common landlord come to greet you, they give a handshake.
Now, why he never call the wife sweet name? When they call him is not enough. That's why the woman is even accepting the
rugged pastor.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Right, my people, welcome back on top of the show. Yes, of course, 18 minutes now, done waka past 9 o'clock.
No be lie.
Today now still Wednesday, the 16th day of July 2025.
Confirm.
The name of the station now still 89.9 Yanga FM.
The station where Sabi. The name of the show that Compound Wahala.
Igwe.
The title of this song will say Padi Ade for your like. I know why. Because we would there for you.
We there for now self. We know say we
and
self
there
for
baby
us.
Lawyer.
Really?
I there for you. Yeah, I there for you. The day we go to different. The day when anybody go do anyhow for your side. I'll person go collect.
Rugged sweetie.
I there for you. Don't worry.
Rugged pastor, my baby.
For you. Me I go collect.
My sugar you. Boo.
Now I tell you say I go there for you.
It be like saying since when you sick that sickness last week, it be like say that sickness help me.
No. It's not.
As that your belly reduce small. Be like say sense follow the belly.
It has nothing to do with that.
Sense can't enter you.
The day you start being loyal,
if you not use this your get loyal, spoil these good moments with the guests now. No tell me to be loyal to no be me I be. No be me I be. No they tell me that thing.
But that's why I did for you now.
Yeah, I did for you too now. People be loyal. What's happen?
All your loyalty will make me to be there for you.
No, let me give you bish.
Don't make me speak.
No, let me no to be there for me. All right, my people, make una no mind us. My people, make una no mind us. We still dey here. This segment where we dey so now the Compound Wahala segment. And you know say for here now we dey treat matter wey dey happen inside compound, and today compound issue. Remember I say we breathe in, we can't breathe out.
Everywhere don scatter.
E get why. What's it be the issue? For our compound, one Oga Titus, he marry and everything. Compound happy, we do celebration.
The wife fine
woman,
fine correct woman.
No, we don't lie down and fine.
Woman set.
Nkiru Nazuka.
Oh Chineke.
You understand me? Even when it be like say the heat no today, but you see that Nkiru and Nazuka.
Everywhere makes
sense. On things.
So
now another person, Oga Ola, will be fellow tenant like
another
us.
Correct tenant.
No be say na troublesome guy. Oga Ola go come see Mr. Titus wife, come dey say sweet angel.
Beautiful woman.
How you dey? He go wan greet the woman. He go call am sweet angel. But if he see me, go say, baby lawyer, how far now? Baby, how far? Everybody, rugged pastor, he go call her rugged pastor. Other women where they go call them, Madam Cynthia, how you dey? We dey greet. Mama Chioma, how far? But this particular person, this particular Oga Titus wife,
they glitter. They always call her sweet name. They always
call her beautiful angel, fine woman, beautiful woman, sweet angel.
But mind you, nothing they in mind though.
No, but he go just see the woman they call am. Now Oga Titus, this thing don dey go on for a while. Oga Titus, he know dey today, but when he go there, he go notice say even when dem go dey around where Oga Ola dey pass, na so he go dey greet the woman, sweet angel, beautiful woman. Now Oga Titus, the thing no sit well with her, he no like her. He try to just overlook the thing, but I think once he say na so Oga Ola dey do,
the thing don dey part of her.
Yeah, he can't go meet and say, guy, na my wife be this. If you won't call am, say Mrs. Titus.
Exactly. Only me they allowed to call her sweet name, not you.
She be my wife. You as my neighbor, wetin be all this thing? No, they do am. If you won't call her, you call her Mrs. Titus, or you find out wetin be her name.
Her real name na Victoria. Call her Vicky.
Thank you. Her name na actually Victoria.
Just
call her Vicky or something, or Victoria. In fact, Victoria na wetin he tell her. The man come vex so. he say okay, oga ola tell am say okay, my oga no vex, oga Titus no vex, no problem, I no go call her, you know, all those other sweetness, I go call her Victoria. That matter go that day, we even did there, everybody say at least this matter no cause problem. Una go believe say oga ola still continue to dey call
the woman
Madam Titus
sweet woman.
He still dey call her sweet woman,
fine
sweet
woman,
angel, fine woman, beautiful woman. He just he can't even go learn how to call Igbo. He no be Igbo. He can't learn how to hail am for Igbo. They call am Achalugo. They call am Asampete. Everything. Oh. He go with him. Even though you know they use the intonation well, he go sha dey call am.
In fact, Titus don vex.
My people today, kasala boss for compound o na so Titus wey jiri Ola he come pour ya tie. As in they exchange blow because of this thing o.
Chai.
Hand touch person today o. Then touch each other hand seriously.
But Titus went too far.
Wetin be Titus went too far? How he dey go too far?
How you go knack up because of person they call your.
But na him wife.
Person they hail your wife.
But he say he no want am, but na him wife. He get the right to talk am. Na him wife.
Oga Titus no get people wey in the hail like that. But be people wife in the hail.
No, but he dey go call anybody Achalugo, Elewuku Egbuebu.
Na just
he dey go call am sweet. He dey go call people wife sweet angel, beautiful woman.
Na jealousy dey go.
Every time.
Na jealousy.
But the man don warn am. No be jealousy. You have to you be man now. When person no respect wetin you tell am about your own wife, how e dey make you feel? How e dey make you feel? Rugged talk true. You are no. With your Ishin Pacha.
Just like I said earlier.
Wetin you talk earlier?
Ola don dey used to that sweet name wey dey call you.
Why na only Madam Victoria dey call sweet name?
Titus should be free. Nothing dey go on. I mean, don't trust your wife. Your wife is there for you.
He trust him wife. Na why him tell Ola make Ola mind the business. No go dey hate.
The woman wey dey call the name,
wife.
she complain. That's the question.
Who tell you say she no complain?
She no complain and she dey answer now.
You know whether she
but Ola call her, dey answer now.
But
she go smile.
She dey answer.
He dey sweet am.
She dey answer out of courtesy.
Exactly. Ola dey call am out of courtesy.
So Ola no fit call am Mrs. Titus. Ola no fit call am Madam Titus.
If they maybe
Ola no fit say Mrs. Victoria.
If Ola call am Titus or Mrs. Ola go dey think say na fish.
Yeah. So Titus wey dey call Oga Titus since Titus na fish.
Now
Titus our neighbor na fish.
I dey tell you wetin Ola.
Titus na fish.
That is what Ola will be thinking. You know, we have Titus fish. we have obojo. We have sukumbia. We have stockfish. We have
Oporoko.
So Azumangala. Ola don't look and say, Kai, if I call this woman, we find like this.
Titus.
Mrs. Titus.
You get her CV.
You go resemble and say that fish I chop.
Maybe she be Mami Water. Wait. How she come find joy?
I do man fine. Now what for you? You will go marry woman way too far. Wait till you expect. You know say complimentary go day.
Her name na Victoria.
So if I hug the wife, you go first.
Why you go hug person wife?
People dey hug people wife now.
But why you go hug person wife?
I don't see somebody wey hug person wife. They even hang there for a few minutes.
Yes. Person wife. Make I just tell you. Make sure say the person wey you dey hug him wife no come from all those Edo states. Isha.
What you go do?
Bini. Ejari those Isha people.
What you go do?
No, na abomination for their place. So even some parts
you
of
can't hug somebody's wife.
You're not even supposed to touch the woman.
Are you for real?
No jokes. Anybody will come from Edo State, I beg. Tell me whether wetin I talk na wrong thing. I school for you. I do diploma in law for Uniben, so I know wetin I dey talk.
But I know that there's some.
Even for some parts of Bayelsa, for riverine side too, they do am. You're not supposed to hug person wife.
Events. There are some. Do you know that? Okay, there are some big events, where they will feed you for government house or some big places. You see a married man and a married woman will come the event. They go hug each other, peck each other here. Like, you understand?
No,
so there's nothing here. It's normal. So why are you taking it too far?
But in a way, you say that's where you just say they go hug each other, they go peck each other.
Exactly. I've even seen it in our government. They will peck here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, here.
We do that. But at the end of the day, that's also borrowed culture. Because in a lot of places for Nigeria, this is where we dey talk so. It dey very serious. You're not supposed to actually get contact with person wife. If we have to do culturally,
you're not supposed to get the
you
person wife contact.
You are not supposed to, especially woman will be say like they marry and pay bride price full. Please, anybody who is from, let me call the state, some parts of Ondo.
So what if they
parts
say,
of Bayelsa?
I beg, come.
Love doctor, God bless you. Love doctor, come. Love doctor, come.
You need to put mouth for this.
Come.
Excuse me.
Hold on. Love doctor,
hold
come.
on. I want to ask her something, sir. with all due respect, you are my man.
Love doctor
Are you hearing me
talk.
now?
You love doctor na from Delta State.
No, I know.
No be my man.
That's how I want to put them.
Leave
like,
my
no,
man.
hold on. See the angle I want to come from. You're my friend now. Am I not? Is it a wrong thing if I have your wife number? You have my wife number. Is it wrong?
Wait, talk that side again.
You be my friend.
Talk that side again. Talk that side for that place. Oh, that. Talk that side. Talk that side.
See what I ask. As my friend. Now, wrong thing. Is it a taboo for me to have your wife number? Make you get my wife number. What if there is emergency? What if there is necessity?
It's not a taboo.
It's not a taboo.
It's not a taboo.
It's not.
No,
okay, let me tell you what happened.
No be where, no be
last
that
weekend. Last weekend, I follow one of my man come out. So he come late. He come decide to lodge, but his phone battery dey low. His phone come off. The wife called me. If to say she not get my number, how she for take us
no
off the
be
husband?
That one. Love doctor, no mind this phone one.
What are you saying? I said
This person.
That's what we're saying here.
Suppose airport tie somewhere. Maybe we no go use hand.
Can you imagine?
Now wait, love doctor. Wetin make me talk me you come? You come from Delta State. Now, true or false? For some parts of your state, it gets where if you marry woman, another man not supposed to hug her.
You don't go hug him.
Yes, now.
Like I can't hug somebody's wife.
You cannot hug somebody's wife. I know so for places, I beg if you come from Edo State, Ishan, yeah, you can't do that. If a man is married to a woman, he has paid bride price fully, traditionally.
Title chief.
Yes, you are not supposed to do that.
Chief.
Even for title chief, aside title chief, I'm saying, please, if you come from Edo State, I want you to actually give credibility to what I'm saying, because I schooled in Unibed and I knew women who were married, and this one was my classmate who did diploma with me. All right, she will go on to read pop admin or something later, and somebody tried to, hey, where would they happy inside class? And she said, no, please, in my place, you don't do that. I'm married. You can't hug me. The highest thing I can come close to you to do is give you a handshake. No.
Maybe not the woman. Now she
the woman.
She discharge the person.
It's not discharging.
Exactly.
No,
because I have even seen functions where men are married, mature, rich people who they peck each other.
See, all that ones na borrowed culture. Now wetin we learn from
Oyibo. Half of wetin they do for here no be borrow culture. And we don't borrow it this year.
Olden days, nobody when they see they do festival, when they carry Amadioha seriously, you go carry mouth.
Amadioha no dey again.
They give person they do munye madu.
Which tenant, which neighbor don go hug person?
And yes, so somebody go dey call person wife for our compound.
Sweet name. Is it
honey, bad? Darling, sweet angel.
This una compound there.
Okay. My people are coming back. God no go allow you work with stubborn person wey be like rugged pastor.
That may be the sweetest person to work with.
God, I'm just praying for somebody specially. God will not allow you to work with a stubborn soul.
Like who?
Like rugged.
I'm not stubborn.
Oh, that.
When
you go see the beg.
All the people who don't work with me say, arrogant pastor. Oh my God. He's loving and caring. He can pamper you. He can sugar you. He can melembe you.
Isn't be melembe?
Melembe now.
You don't be melembe.
As wike.
Hey,
You don't know where wike they shout melembe. He ask am wetin be melembe. Na me we try to repeat wetin person talk. And now joke about the originator.
Please.
When he shout, he didn't day. Melembe. Inyende ba. Kamanga kandolewa. Ndole.
Can you imagine?
This is that play.
This like now wow.
Now for you.
I beg 090 4821 3013 090 4821 All right, now the number be that 090 4821 3013. Send us WhatsApp message.
Only.
Yes, WhatsApp message. You know if you call us for now. I say WhatsApp message, they don't call.
We don't feel pick up. And don't forget, for people who just tune in, the station.
Please stop calling. Just send WhatsApp message. Stop calling.
Now the station we Sabi 89.9 Yanga FM. Now here we still there. Compound Wahala on the show. All right. sharply, let us know what you think about the matter. We don't drop.
And for the people who they wonder what's in the matter be now about our fellow tenant, our neighbor Oga Titus, we be saying no happy say our other neighbor Mr. Ola, they always call him wife sweet name
like
instead of to greet her say
fine madam
Mrs. Victoria or Mrs. Titus good afternoon, go say sweet angel good afternoon, how you dey, beautiful woman.
I just do get
you go come use with our Western brothers in accent ashalugo, na so they call am ashalugo,
good guy.
so but Oga Titus don't want am. Oga, if you want greet my wife, just greet my wife. Call her Mrs. Titus, Madam Titus.
You know, saving me they agree call Titus. Now Oga T they call her.
Everybody
they call her bro T.
Some people they
because
call
if I call her
yes.
Titus, my mind they go for fish.
Yeah, they call her Oga Titus. Now no good think of which one be fish. Now everything na food
me
for
I like
you
Titus fish. So as I call you Titus, my mind don't go like say I chop you.
You see why they call you Shima? You see why they call you Shodo? Shey you see am? Why they like to call you Shima? You see am?
See,
so
Mr. Light,
what's not the guy name?
It's not
Mr.
easy.
Titus.
It's not easy to
so
call.
why you no go fit call am Oga
There are
Titus?
some names that will be heavy for you to call.
So
That's
you
why.
no fit call your wife Mrs. Titus?
I go call her Mrs. Titus.
That's her name.
But the guy don't try now. He no fit walk.
So you can't call person wife sweet angel,
nothing there.
beautiful woman,
There is nothing wrong.
person wife, and you don't say it's nothing wrong.
There, see, ma, tell you.
So if you marry me now, person they will be say we dey see the same building, they call me Achalugo, sweet
he should
angel,
call you sweet
fine
name.
woman,
May call you
beautiful
if
woman.
If may call you Opotopo.
And you go like her.
Yes. As far as he no get any bad agenda.
How you go take to say you no get bad agenda?
I go know now.
You dey in mind?
I go trust my wife now.
Oh Jesus.
My wife cannot do otherwise.
Please, let's enjoy music.
Are you hearing me now?
Let's enjoy music.
But are you hearing me?
I will never hear you.
You have to hear me.
I can never hear you.
That man, not just jealousy, the worry.
No be jealousy. And even if he's jealous, he has the right to be. This his wife.
If it's his wife, before he marry her, people don't know the woman.
But now wetin you want? See,
listen
Oga
to me.
Ola
Say you marry person. Say does not mean that you own her totally.
Nobody's talking about owning
What are you
anybody.
saying?
This is about respect. You are married to somebody. This person was your neighbor before his wife came into the picture. They've been married now for 2 years. And the man called to say, my guy, I know like as you they call my wife sweet names. He has the right to tell her that. Now only me supposed to they call my wife sweet name. He has the right to tell her that. It's just like a woman now see my husband. Go come say, hold on. He go come say, Olowo ori mi odogun hello.
So if
that
woman,
is my
if girl
that
begin
is my zone.
If girl begin appreciate me now they hear me, my wife go verse. Is that what you're saying?
Unless your wife is not really jealous and she's not. Sometimes jealousy is not a bad thing, no. Yes, there's something jealousy that is not bad.
Jealous.
No, that's being too jealous is a problem.
I was.
But when somebody is your person,
do you know if you are too jealous, you even destroy your relationship?
that is the point. Nobody is. Oga Titus is not too jealous.
Jealousy now.
He is not too jealous.
Okay,
He has the right to be a bit jealous. He cares
let-
about his wife.
let me use
Now in
myself-
marriage, you dey whine.
Let me use myself as a case study. I was dating a girl. You know, anytime I go event, she dey follow me sometimes. We went for one event. Very annoying that day. The event, so very sweet event. I was the MC. I performed finish. You know, as person they finish work. Guests come, they hug me. Rocket pastor, nice work. This that. She begin verse. I was like, what is this?
Okay, so he good.
She begin
Make
verse.
they just dey hug you up and down.
Say make dem no hug me.
Make they hug you up and down.
So people shouldn't hug me.
Make girls carry front.
People should not appreciate the good job I did.
Front of decent sizes. Front of decent sizes.
Now, let me
different sizes of front.
That jealousy.
They come dey hold
that
you.
jealousy was
Now,
what.
Marco.
That was what
and
destroyed
he
that
good.
relationship.
That's
I'm
not
telling
just-
you.
I'm sure you did not
Because
respect that lady.
no,
You did not respect
I
that
respect
lady.
her so much.
That lady expected you to
I
put
respect her
boundaries.
so much.
Do you know how many?
So as people want to hug me, I say no, don't hug me, don't hug me. Are
There
you
is a
kidding
way
me?
somebody will want to come and hug you. You hug them sideways. You give them a
Sideways?
handshake. Yes.
How can I give my fans sideways
So
hug?
you go come dey collect full
You go
full
collect
hug.
hug now.
Full hug.
Yes.
With the
After
front,
there you go collect them
different
again.
sizes of
After that
frontage.
event where they give
touch
you. After that day, will they give you again?
You have ulterior motive.
Collect hug.
You
See,
have ulterior motive with those
for
hug.
a job well done. Girls
Yeah.
call hug you, no collect hug.
Men no call hug you go collect full hug.
Who men?
Eh.
They hug me, I go hug now.
Full hug.
Before.
Before.
But na mess.
You wey common landlord come greet you, dey give am handshake.
Na shake you suppose shake now.
Na shake you suppose shake. But women, you be collecting different sizes of frontage.
I don't understand. It's a normal thing now. If a woman hug me,
rugged.
Why won't I hug her back?
Rugged.
See, my own is don't be too jealous.
Nobody's too jealous.
You spoil your relationship.
Oga Titus has the right to tell somebody, I don't like you. It doesn't make you feel comfortable. He's her husband. He has the right to say that.
So why he never call the wife sweet name? Somebody they call her.
They call the woman sweet name. That's why he's telling the man that I'm the only one that is entitled to call her sweet name.
Maybe the one when they call him is not enough. That's why the woman is even accepting the
rugged pastor.
I'm telling you.
Rugged.
I am telling you the truth.
Rugged, hear me, look me. Rugged.
I don't look you.
Rugged.
I got message here.
You can't read it now when we come back. Rugged.
I don't want to look you.
Rugged.
What's that?
Get out.
All right.
Welcome back.
We'll go read this message where somebody sent here, and feel free to also send your own because we'll go soon round up this segment. All right. I'm a sugar. Your own case different because you never marry your babe.
Okay.
But this matter, na married woman we dey talk about.
Okay.
Okay, bless you. Be here. The message start. The message start from good evening. I'm a sugar and baby lawyer.
Good evening.
The man need to stop calling the married woman sweet name.
Okay.
Since her husband no like him. No be everybody like him. Your name na Precious from Ketu. Okay, say my own day difference.
Now woman talk so. Precious, thank you so much.
Thank you, Precious.
Thank you so much. No, but really, if person don't really like him, you're not supposed to. Person is there, say, I don't like you calling my wife sweet names. Respect him as a man.
But don't be everything the man go like now.
So you go just go now.
Who they send voice note? Okay, Elizabeth, we don't go play voice note.
My darling, no voice note. I better send message.
She don't send message. Make her read them.
Okay.
Good evening, I'm a sugar and the baby lawyer.
Good evening.
He say water. No let another man go dey call. Okay. Wetin go let another man go dey call another person wife sweet name, and the woman suppose not to answer. They supposed to arrest the man before he will go and marry somebody wife. Elizabeth from Ikorodu, now you send this one.
Elizabeth, they like to take am very far.
Say na arrest.
All the time. She dey always carry am go far away.
So if you go police now, wetin you go tell police? Say
you are calling somebody's wife sweet name.
Say person call your wife sweet name.
Yes.
Now you call arrest am.
And I warned him.
Chai.
Yes.
Police don't suffer.
No be police. No be matter of police don't suffer.
If I go say, why are you? Don't think we have some.
Which
do
one
you think we don't have work here?
No, but at the end of the
day. So
that
this pattern I bring here.
Please respect yourself as a person. Person tell you, say, I don't want make you dey do this thing with my wife or with my husband. I no be saying anything. If you feel say okay, why Oga Titus dey vex? Say the thing no serious. You sef no take am seriously and stop calling his wife.
Okay, I want to ask
sweet
you.
Names.
I want to ask you.
If you feel it's not so serious, then take it. Don't take it seriously too, and stop calling his wife sweet names.
For this office, you don't get people where they call you sweet name for this office.
That's me. Yes.
They do, Abi?
They do.
So tomorrow, if you marry, you would now tell them to stop calling you sweet name.
No be matter of say I go tell them. That scenario you're talking about, this one is different.
How is it different?
It's different because one, Titus has been our neighbor for like almost 4 years.
That's what I'm saying.
Titus has now been married for 2 years. Titus brought his wife to this compound. Now Titus bringing his wife and marrying the woman into this compound. Now he make Ola no Titus
so what
wife.
Is different now? What I just asked now is,
this is my colleagues in the office.
They call you sweet name.
Yeah.
So if you marry that, your husband
baby lawyer, sweet baby lawyer, baby. People call me that here.
Your husband would not tell them not to call you sweet name again.
My husband is not here with me.
So that's what I'm saying. Okay. Oh. That is what are they trying to get? Oh God, thank you for. What I want get.
No be wetin you want get.
No, see what I want get now. If they call Titus wife, this Titus who they talk about. What if to say now for office? Now colleague they call the wife that sweet name.
But Titus knows.
Will he come to office to start warning them? Say don't call my wife sweet name.
This is our neighbor. Titus has access to Ola and he warned him.
That's what I'm saying.
Ola should be respectful enough.
Okay, who he doesn't have access to, they should call the wife sweet name.
No, but even if that is not safe, the place where you want to carry this discussion go no be where they come from.
No, I'm being logical.
There's no logic in what you are saying. There's no logic in what you are saying.
Because of saying no, Ola. Now they talk now. Say, what about people he doesn't know?
No, that's
the point. The wife sweet
because
name.
he know Ola, and Ola na him neighbor. Ola na him guy for compound.
What of people?
Ola supposed to respect am enough not to do that thing
what
again.
What of people who calls the wife sweet name that he doesn't know?
He doesn't know that.
That's what I'm saying.
But that's not. We are not talking of those people. We are talking of Ola in our compound. Ola should be respectful enough to his fellow man and not do that.
He's being jealous.
He's not being jealous. My people, I beg we dey come back. Message dey there.
Yeah, Boku read that.
All right, take him.
Sweet evening, Mr. Rugged and baby lawyer. There is healthy jealousy and bitter jealousy.
God bless you.
This is having healthy
very
jealousy.
Healthy one. Very true.
Over his wife. Academician. Which one? From AJ.
Oh, academician. Thank you.
Academician
Thank you.
from AJ.
Thank you.
Academician. Okay, because of say be accommodation, I'll be accommodation, be accommodation.
Now you go be accommodation. You see, you will God will forgive you.
Accommodation.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.